Best digital products that make over 15K on Etsy. How do you find them? Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can find some of the top selling digital products and sell them on Etsy yourself. So let's get into it. Now, Etsy is a super booming platform for people that are looking to sell products. A lot of people are creating so many different kinds of digital products that you might have not even thought of before, and they are selling out because a lot of people need things to be automated. They need all these digital products now to function because those have become an integral part of their lives. So that is why it is so essential to expand your business to Etsy. To be able to sell products on Etsy digitally is going to save you a lot of money. You don't have to think about warehousing products. You don't have to think about creating multiple different products. You don't have to think about things like stock costs and all of that. So you're easily going to be able to sell a product over and over again on Etsy simply by using these few tricks. Now, you might be thinking, okay, we know all the basics, we know things like stickers, we know things like journals, but how do I find something that really sells well as a digital product on Etsy? Well, there is a tool to that. It's called Allura. So Allura is created specifically to find products that are going to sell good on Etsy. It is a Etsy tool specifically. So it's not a basic keyword optimization tool where you can do some keyword research and find the keyword trends. No, this is based on Etsy itself. So all you have to do is head on over to allura.io, then click on Start Free on the top right over here. We're just going to enter our name and email address. And once we've done that, we're just going to click on Create Free Account, click on Never, and we're just going to click on Yes, I'm an Etsy seller. And go on ahead, and now you can see this is going to be your Allura dashboard. So from here, you can click on the left side of your screen where it says Product Research. And we're just going to wait for this to load up. And you can go into the product research and go into the shop analyzer Allura extension, and you can click on the Allura extension, click on download extension, and this is a simple Chrome extension that can enable you to find different products on Etsy as you are browsing Etsy. And you can also use their product seeker. So we're just waiting for the extension to be added. Now I'm just going to pin this extension so you guys can better see how it functions. Now you can see over here, once I have downloaded my extension, I will just log in. And you will log in using the same credentials that you just used to create your account. And once you have done that, if I click on Allura, once I have opened up the Etsy tab, you can see the product name, the shop name, the price, the favorite, total sales, monthly sales, and the monthly revenue of that product. So this is the amazing way to just find one specific product, find one niche, and then explore what sells in that niche, or to explore different niches as well. Now, in the product seeker, what you see on the actual Allura application, if you go into the product seeker, we're going to focus on that first and then move on to the details of the extension, because the extension is super helpful when you're doing a basic research. So in the product seeker, you can put in what kind of product you are looking for. And you can go on ahead and just search for any keyword search phrase. You can enter the category, the country, and you can see there are going to be multiple different product options. You will get things like sweaters and all those different items. So these are not specifically digital products. So you will have to keep that in mind when you're using this research tool. It's not always going to recommend you only digital products, but let's say I want to search for digital journal. Now, if I search for a digital journal over here, you can see it's not finding any product. So depending on what kind of search terms you are going to use, you will be able to find a better digital product for your lineup. Now, other than that, they also have a shop analyzer. You can go on ahead and put in any shop and see what they are selling the best. And you can analyze some of the top shops on Etsy as well to see what kind of revenue that they are generating and what are the total number of sales that they are getting. Now, moving back to our extension, which is probably one of my most used tools to find more products on Etsy. Now, you can see over here that I'm going to close the rest of these tabs and go into Etsy, and I will just search for digital planner. So if I search for digital planner over here, you can see I'm getting so many different items. Now what I can do is I can click on my Allura extension over here, and now it's going to show me all the products, the prices, the favorites, the total sales, the monthly sales listing in the past 30 days. So the total amount of sales that they've gotten in the 30 days and the monthly revenue. So you're looking for the products that have high sales in the past 30 days. And a lot of these planners have high sales in the past 30 days. So what I would recommend is that you go on ahead and replicate replicate a product that has high sales within the past 30 days. That is the point, that is the main goal that you want to focus on. Now, what you're looking for is to find monthly sales that are high for those products and then go on ahead and replicate those kinds of products. You can search for anything digital. So you're just going to search for the keyword digital over here on Etsy, and you'll get multiple different types of digital products. And then you can click on Alora and it will show you the popular digital products, the ones that are still selling, and you will get a better idea of what kind of items you should create. So this art print only had 10 sales. However, you need to keep that into account, that a singular art piece is definitely not going to generate that much revenue, but it's going to be a lot easier to create as well. So you have to account for that. Maybe creating a planner is going to be a lot more difficult. That is why it is going to sell more as well. You can see planners are probably one of the most sold items. However, things like stickers, these portraits, these custom portraits, a lot of these printable wall art is also doing pretty good. So depending on what kind of item or what kind of niche you want to enter, you can choose a product accordingly, and just make sure that it has high monthly sales in the past 30 days. The reason that I'm saying that is because you want to be able to monitor trends. So if a trend for a certain type of item is going down, that means it's not going to be selling good within the last 30 days. And if you go ahead and then create the product now and then sell it in a couple of days, the trend for those kinds of products might have already died out, and it won't be very beneficial for you to be selling those kinds of products. So that is something to keep in mind whenever you are creating your own digital products. And this is how you find some of the top selling products on Etsy. All you need to do is just go on ahead, search for digital items, take a look at the trend, and whatever is on the increasing trend, you pick out those products and you will have a very, very lucrative sale in terms of getting digital products to sell, depending on what kind of niche that you have selected and what kind of product within that niche that you are looking to create. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.